Want to turn any photo into an eye-catching 3D patriotic badge for laser engraving? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to create the perfect bas-relief badge, ideal for unforgettable Independence Day gifts. To start, head to the Tools menu and choose the Style Transformer. Next up, scroll down and look for the American Patriotic Badge style. Once you find it, click Use this style. This kicks off the transformation process. Next, upload the photo you want to use and make sure it's selected. This step ensures your badge will use the right image for your project. Hit Crop Adjust, select the aspect ratio you need, like freeform or square. Then, move and resize the crop box so your main subject stands out perfectly within the badge area. After that, tweak the crop size as needed and apply the crop. This step locks in your ideal composition. Expand the Advanced Settings section and change the output resolution if needed. Click Transform Image to apply the 3D bas-relief effect, and when it's done, use the preview slider to compare before and after results. Then download your new badge to move on to the next stage. Find the file on your computer. It's time for the next stage. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. Let's prepare for laser engraving. Click Send to Tool and choose Laser Engraving Prep option to get it ready for engraving. Choose the Laser Engraving Prep tool to match your badge with the perfect settings. Do a final crop check and remove any background if you need your design to stand out. Then click Apply, and you're ready for laser setup. Use the Fit tool to match your badge to the correct size. Hit Apply to secure the layout for laser cutting. Adjust the height for your specific material. Enter your desired measurement for a perfect result. Look up or enter your material at the dithering preset. This controls engraving details and shading to help your badge look its best. Pick a material preset and choose Luma Balance for even exposure and realistic finish. Dial in your badge's final look by adjusting gamma, brightness, black point, and midtone sliders. This gives your image maximum 3D depth and clarity for engraving. Head to the Adjustments menu and fine-tune the gamma setting to get that last bit of detail just right. For the most balanced results, select the Algorithm dropdown and choose Grayscale. Make sure to choose Jarvis at your engraving software. Ready to export? Click Next Export and process the image, preparing everything for laser output. Download the SVG cut line and double-check the download so all your laser files are ready. Open the File menu if you need extra export options. Get your final PNG by clicking the download icon, then select your engraving file for one last review. That's it! Your custom 3D Illusion badge artwork is ready for laser engraving. You've just crafted a stunning 3D patriotic badge, perfectly prepared for laser engraving. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative how-tos, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to craft next. Happy Independence Day, and happy making!